Who is Nikhil Gupta, the Indian national at the center of an alleged assassination plot that's drawn global attention? Until his arrest, Gupta was largely unknown to the public. He's 54 years old, an Indian citizen, and according to US court documents, someone who described himself in electronic communications as an international narcotics and weapons trafficker. Today he stands convicted in the United States after pleading guilty to murder for hire, conspiracy to commit murder for hire, and conspiracy to commit money laundering. The target of the alleged plot was Gurpatwant Singh Pannun, a New York-based Sikh terrorist leader who holds dual US and Canadian citizenship. In India, Pannun is designated a terrorist under UAPA. He is associated with Sikhs For Justice, a banned organization advocating for Khalistan. So how did Gupta enter this case? According to US prosecutors, in May 2023, he was approached by an individual identified in court papers as CC1, later named as Vikash Yadav. American authorities allege that Yadav was at the time linked to India's external intelligence structure. Gupta allegedly agreed to arrange the assassination in New York. He is accused of contacting what he believed was a criminal intermediary to hire a hitman. That intermediary, however, was a confidential source cooperating with US law enforcement. The hitman turned out to be an undercover federal agent. Prosecutors say Gupta negotiated a deal worth $100,000, including a $15,000 advance. Court filings allege he was provided with personal details of the intended target, including home address and daily movements, and was asked to keep his alleged handler updated. The plot never materialized. US authorities say it was disrupted before any harm occurred. Gupta was arrested in June 2023 in the Czech Republic under a US extradition request and later transferred to New York. He initially pleaded not guilty. His recent guilty plea changed the trajectory of the case. He now faces a potential sentence of up to 40 years in prison. However, prosecutors have recommended between 21 and 24 years reportedly, a detail that often indicates cooperation with investigators. If Gupta has provided further information about how the plot was conceived, financed, or directed, the implications could stretch beyond one individual, it's reported. India has denied any official involvement. New Delhi has stated that the person named in US indictments is no longer employed by the government and has described the matter as a rogue operation. But for now, the central figure remains Nikhil Gupta, a man who moved from obscurity into the spotlight of high-stakes international case. His sentencing is scheduled for May 2026, and depending on what emerges next, his role may prove to be only one part of much larger story.